सुबह के ख्वाब से उड़ाई है, पलकों के नीचे छिपाई है।
Hi, so my name is Jayeeta and welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna be sharing this beautiful look. So I'm starting with the Recode Studio S.F.R Base Mattifying Primer. Then next, instead of using any foundation, today I have taken the Lakme 925cc cream. Now to define my chubby face, I'm going for the contouring part, and today I have the Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force Face Palette. Next I'm setting my base makeup with the NYB Runway Radiance Compact Powder. For my blusher, today I have this S.F.R color Pure Color Blusher in the shade Nude Berry. Next, to define my eyebrows, I'm gonna be mixing the black eyeshadow with the brown color eyeshadow. Well, so right now I'm taking the dark brown eyeshadow and placing it on the outer corner of my eyelids, and then gradually taking it on the crease line and on my lower lash line by the blending procedure. Now after increasing the intensity of the brown shade, I'm placing this Mars liquid eyeshadow on the center of my eyelids and blending the edges very well. Then when I'm done with my eyeshadow, then मैं फटाफट से eyeliner, mascara, highlighter, lipstick and setting spray सब कुछ apply कर लूँगी. Each and every product that I have used to create this look will be mentioned in the description, so please check it out. And this is the final finished look.